Hello, today I'm creating a lead researcher agent. This agent helps me find complete information about any company and automatically sends an email to the person I want to reach out to. It simply asks for the company's website URL and the recipient's email and does the rest on its own. So let's get started. Okay, my prompt has been updated successfully. Now I need to add an MCP server. The first one I'll add is the Gmail MCP, which allows the agent to send emails automatically. Click on Configure, and you'll see it requires a client ID, client secret, and refresh token. To get these, open a new tab and go to console.cloud.google.com. After opening it, go to APIs and Services and make sure the Gmail API is enabled. I already have the client ID and secret, but I still need a refresh token. To get that, open OAuth 2.0 Playground in your browser. Open Settings, enable the option to use your own credentials and paste your client ID and secret there. Once added, select the Gmail API and the required scopes. Exchange the authorization code and you'll get your refresh token. Copy and click Update Configuration. Now, click Get URL with keys, copy the generated URL, and return to our platform. Add the MCP server, give it a name like Gmail, and click Add. Perfect. The Gmail MCP is now connected. Next, I'll connect another MCP, the Google Search MCP. This will allow the agent to browse the web and gather detailed company information. Open a new tab, search for symmetry, and find the Google Search MCP there. Click Configure, it will ask for your CSE ID and Google API key. If you don't have these yet, here's how to get them. Search for Google CSE setup, open the link, give your search engine a name, select Search the entire web, and create it. Once created, copy your CSE ID and paste it into the configuration. Next, go to the Google Cloud Console again, open the Google Search API, click Get Key, copy it, and paste it here as your API key. Update the configuration, then copy the final connection URL. Now both MCPs, Gmail and Google Search, are successfully connected. Next, I'll define what information the agent should collect and which details are most important to me. I've written my prompt to include company name, logo, description, and some key insights. Everything looks great. Let's review the flow. The sample interaction works perfectly. Now it's time to test. I'll click the test button, and it's working exactly as expected. The agent found a company related to virtual reality. It asked for an image, processed everything, and generated a complete summary. It even sent me an email containing detailed company info, including key features, industry, and competitive advantages. Everything looks perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching.